Hello friends, now we are going to study series parallel connection. We have two independent two-port network. First one is represented by dash and second one is represented by double dash. And corresponding the two equation for first network is here and the two equation are here for the second network. Now series parallel connection mean at one side we will connect in series and at another side we will connect in parallel. So the first side is series. So what we are going to do is we are going to directly connect these two terminal, and here it is parallel. For the parallel connection, as I have mentioned in the parallel connection, what we will do, we will add these two. So this will be your main plus minus V2 and I2, and here we can see clearly that the value of I1 is equal to I1 dash is equal to I1 double dash, and the value of V1 is equal to V1 dash plus V1 double dash. And in second side we can see that the value of V2 is equal to V2 dash is equal to V2 double dash, and the value of I2 is equal to I2 dash plus I2 double dash. So we are going to add these two equations. From here V1 is equal to V1 dash plus V1 double dash, putting all these values I am putting here. The value of V1 will be equal to V1 dash. V1 dash means H11 dash I1 dash plus H12 dash V2 dash plus V1 double dash means H11 double dash I1 double dash plus H12 double dash V2 double dash. From here we can see clearly that the I1 dash and I1 double dash are equal. So V1 can be written as H11 dash plus H11 double dash. This will be I1 plus remaining H12 dash plus H12 double dash. V2 is equal to V2 dash is equal to V2 double dash. We can take from another port. So this will become V2. We can add this in this I2 is equal to I2 dash plus I2 double dash also. So we can write directly or we can write. So I'm writing here clearly the value of I2 is equal to I2 dash. I2 dash means H21 dash I1 dash plus H22 dash V2 dash plus H21 double dash I1 double dash plus H22 double dash V2 double dash. From here we can write I2 is equal to I1 dash and I1 double dash are same here. So H21 dash plus H21 double dash into I1 plus H22 dash plus H22 double dash V2. So we have this A equation and we have this B equation. From both the equation we can write clearly in the terms of matrix V1 I2 is equal to H11 dash plus H11 double dash H12 dash plus H12 double dash H21 dash plus H21 double dash H22 dash plus H22 double dash, and here your I1 and V2. So whenever there is a series parallel connection and you have the hybrid parameter values, then simply add those value, and it is the series parallel connection. When opposite of this means, if there will be a parallel series connection, then at that point you have to mention the G values. So you do not need to do anything, only you can directly add if there is a parallel series connection. So you have to add H is equal to H dash matrix plus H double dash matrix in case of hybrid parameter, and in case of G parameter you only have to add G is equal to G dash matrix plus G double dash matrix. This is applicable when we will having the parallel series connection opposite of this hybrid connection. So here it is all about the series parallel connection and parallel series connection. Thank you.